GaussDB is a cloud-based, distributed relational database from Huawei. Cross-AZ deployment ensures rock-solid availability and zero data loss. Hybrid transactional or analytical processing (HTAP) gives you enterprise-class performance. You can add over 1,000 nodes to a single DB instance to handle petabytes of data. GaussDB provides high availability, stability, security, and scalability, along with essential features like quick deployment, backup, restoration, monitoring, and alarm reporting. It offers comprehensive, dependable, and high-performance database services that can effortlessly scale to accommodate growing enterprise demand. This video tutorial uses a centralized instance as an example to show how to buy a GaussDB instance and then connect to it. The process is as follows. Step 1. Buy a DB instance. Step 2. Check the purchase result. Step 3. Log in to the instance. Step 4. Perform operations on the database. 1. On the Instances page of the GaussDB console, click Buy DB instance. 2. On the displayed page, select a billing mode. GaussDB provides yearly or monthly billing and pay-per-use billing. 3. Select an edition type. GaussDB provides Basic Edition and Enterprise Edition. 4. Select a DB instance type. GaussDB provides distributed and centralized instances. 5. Select CPU and memory specifications for the instance. Different instance specifications support different numbers of database connections. 6. Specify the storage space. The instance storage contains the file system overhead required for inodes, reserved blocks, and database operations. 7. Set a password for the instance administrator. 8. Select an enterprise project. If the instance has been associated with an enterprise project, select the target project from the Enterprise Project drop-down list. 9. Click Next. 10. Check the instance details. If everything is correct, click Submit. 11. Return to the Instances page. 12. During the creation process, the GaussDB instance status is creating. After the creation is successful, the instance status changes to Available. 13. Click Login in the Operation column. 14. On the Custom Login tab of the dialog box that is displayed, select the node to log into, enter the database username and password, select Remember Password, and click Test Connection. After verifying the connection, enable Show Executed SQL Statements and click Login to connect to the database. 15. On the menu bar, near the top, choose SQL Operations is greater than SQL Query. 16. In the SQL window, execute SQL statements to create a database user. We'll call the user Joe. Then create a database DB_TPCDS. Create a schema. Create a table, insert data into the table. Query data in the table. And grant Joe full access to the new database, DB_TPCDS.